Welcome back everybody. This video is the second part of operation on sets. The difference of two set. Now we are coming to the next part, that is called as difference of two sets. So as you can see the Venn diagram for set differences, A minus B. So from A, B will be completely excluded. So you are left with A minus B. B minus A. From B, A is completely excluded. Okay, so this is the third diagram, that is A minus B of in case of disjoint set. But maximum we are going to see intersection sets only. Next, as you can see, if A is a, this we go through this example to understand this better. So A is equals to minus 3 minus 2 1 4, B is equals to 0 1 2 4. We need to find A minus B and B minus A. So what do? We just write all the elements first of A and all the elements of B. So as you can see, the common element is being cancelled, 1, and the next common element is 4 being cancelled. So we are left with minus 3 minus 2. So whatever is left in the first set, is the answer. So we can go see the next part. So because it is B minus A, 0 1 2 4, again here you can see the same values are being cancelled, 1 2 1 4 1 4. Okay, now what is left in the first set? It is 0 and 2. So answer is 0 and 2. We ignore this part after the minus. Okay, so now if we summarize the notes, A dash is equals to U minus A minus B is equals to A intersection B dash, A minus A is equals to empty set, A minus empty is always A minus B and B minus A both are, if they are equal, then A and B both values are equal. Next, if A minus B equal to A, B minus A equal to B, A intersection B is equals to empty. Okay, now we come to the next example. Next topic is symmetric difference of set. As you can see, symmetric difference. Now difference is different from symmetric difference. Okay, it is denoted by the symbol A delta B. Symmetric difference of sets. It is denoted by A minus B x such that x is equals to A minus B or x equal to B minus A. So if you don't understand this by this condition, we go to the example part of it. We understand this by example. Okay, so A is equals to 6 7 8 9, B is equals to 8 10 12. So A delta B is equals to A minus B is 6 7 9. So as you know, there is a common element and the common element is 8. So element which is left in A is 6 7 and 9. B minus A, 10 and 12 is left. Okay, then we find A delta B. The formula which we use for A delta B is A delta B is equals to A minus B union B minus A. So A minus B is 6 7 9, union B minus A is 10 and 12, and then we find the union of it, 6 7 9 10 and 12. Okay, so this is called as A delta B. Next we understand this by diagram. Okay, represent A delta B through Venn diagram. So A delta B is equals to A minus B union B minus A. So as we have told previous that what is A minus B. So A minus B where only A is being shaded, then B minus B is this, and union of this will be this way. Okay, so next we are coming to next example. This example will lead us to exercise. Okay, because all the calculation part and the set operation are being explained. The operations were complement, union, intersection and difference. In difference we studied symmetric difference also. Now as you can see, there is a diagram given to you. Okay, so whatever is the kind of diagram, first we are given A. As you can see, A, you just consider the circle of A. The circle of A. Circle of K contains elements called A, I, U, E, O. A, E, I, O, U they have written. B contains B, C, E, O. B, C, E, O. Then A minus B is A, I, U. A minus B. So as you know, A minus B is only this part. So A, I, U. Then B minus A is B, C. Then A dash. A dash means all the values other than A. So A contains A, E, I, O, U. So other than A is B, C, G and D. B, C, D, G. B dash we will not consider B. All the other elements are A, I, U, D, G. Then U, universal, will contain all the elements given in this particular set. Next. The next example is draw a Venn diagram and shade the region in the following set. So as we are given explanation with the clear explanation, so A dash is except of A, you have to shade everything. Okay, next was A minus B whole dash. So this is a two-step process in which we find A minus B first and A minus B whole dash next. So A minus B is this part, as we have been seeing. So A minus B is this part and A minus B whole dash. Dash means whatever the part is shaded should not be shaded in this. Then A union B the whole dash. So find the union, then find the dash. So union, while finding union you have to shade A and B together, and while finding the dash we have to leave the outer part. Okay, so it becomes A union B whole dash. Okay, share among your friends. So please subscribe the channel, and from next class we start the next video. Next video we can start exercise 1.3. If you have any comments to make, you can make in comments box. Thank you.